Vision board. Informational packets and/or forms will be at the following website. What is the purpose of a vision board? The purpose of a vision board is to serve as a visual representation of your goals, dreams, and aspirations. Visualization of goals. A vision board helps you visualize your goals by complying images, quotes, and items that represent what you want to achieve in life. This practice makes your aspirations more tangible and less abstract, allowing you to focus on specific objectives. Motivation and inspiration. Having a vision board in a visible location provides a constant source of motivation. It serves as a daily reminder of what you are working towards, which can help keep your spirits high and your focus sharp. Clarity and focus. Creating a vision board encourages you to clarify your goals. By selecting images and words that resonate with you, you can prioritize what truly matters in your life, helping you to align your actions with your values. Emotional connection. The visions on your board can evoke emotions and feelings associated with achieving your goals. Reflecting on these images can help you maintain a positive mindset and boost your mood as you work towards your aspirations. Encouragement of action. While a vision board is not a magic solution, it can inspire you to take accountable steps towards your goals. It acts as a visual cue that encourages you to make decisions and take actions that align with your desired outcomes. A vision board is a powerful tool that helps you visualize your dreams, stay motivated, clarify your goals, and encourage action towards achieving them. It's a personal and creative way to keep your aspirations at the forefront of your mind. Can anyone create a vision board? Yes, absolutely. Anyone can create a vision board. There are no specific rules or prerequisites for making one, making it an accessible and personal activity for everyone. Personalization. Vision boards are highly customable. You can cater them to reflect your unique goals, dreams, and aspirations, whether they are related to career, health, relationships, or personal growth. This means that anyone, regardless of their background or experience, can create a vision board that resonates with them. No crafting skills required. You don't need to be an artist or have advanced crafting skills to make a vision board. The process is simple and can be as straightforward as cutting out images from magazines and gluing them onto a board. Digital options like using apps or websites also make it easy for those prefer a tech-savvy approach. Flexibility and format. Vision boards can be physical or digital. You can create a traditional board using poster board and magazine clippings, or you can use platforms like Pinterest or Canva to design a digital version. This flexibility allows anyone to choose a method that suits their preferences and lifestyle. Encouragement of self discovery. Creating a vision board can be a reflective process that helps individuals clarify their goals and desires. It encourages self discovery, making it a valuable exercise for anyone looking to understand what they truly want in life. Vision boards are for everyone. They are fun, creative, and an effective way to visualize and work towards your goals, regardless of your artistic abilities or experience. So, if you're inspired to create one, go for it. What are the benefits of making one? Creating a vision board offers numerous benefits that can enhance your personal growth and help you achieve your goals. A visualization of goals. A vision board serves as a visual representation of your aspirations, making your goals more tangible. By seeing images and words that reflect what you want to achieve, you can better focus on your objectives and keep them at the forefront of your mind. Motivation and inspiration. Having a vision board in a visible location provides a constant source of motivation. It reminds you of your dreams and encourages you to take action towards achieving them. This daily inspiration can help maintain a positive mindset and boost your enthusiasm. Clarity and focus. Creating a vision board encourages you to clarify your goals and desires. The purpose of selecting images and words helps you identify what truly matters to you, allowing you to prioritize your aspirations and align your actions accordingly. Emotional connection. The visuals on your board can evoke emotions associated with achieving your goals. This emotional connection can enhance your motivation and commitment, making the pursuit of your dreams feel more meaningful. Encouragement of action. While a vision board is not a magical solution, it can inspire you to take accountable steps toward your goals. It acts as a vision cue that encourages you to make decisions and take actions that align with your desired outcomes. Positive mindset. Regularly reviewing your vision board can help cultivate a positive mindset about your goals. It enforces thoughts that align with your aspirations, which can lead to increased confidence and a greater likelihood of success. Self discovery. The process of creating a vision board can lead to self discovery. It allows you to explore your values and desires, helping you gain insights into what you truly want in life. Making a vision board can significantly enhance your ability to visualize, motivate, and take action toward your goals. It's a creative and personal tool that can help you stay focused on your dreams and inspire you to achieve them. What do you need to make a vision board? Creating a vision board is a fantastic way to visualize your goals and aspirations. Materials needed. Base for the board. You can use corkboard, poster board, or even a digital platform like Canva for a digital visual board. The choices depends on whether you prefer a physical or digital format. Images and items. Gather visuals that represent your goals and dreams. This can include magazine cutouts, printed items, quotes, or personal photography. The key is to choose items that inspire you in renaissance with your aspirations. Adhesives. If you're making a physical board, you'll need glue, tape, or pins to attach your images and items to the base. Decorative elements. Consider adding stickers, markers, or other embellishments to personalize your board and make it physically appealing. How do you create a vision board? Creating a vision board is a powerful way to visualize your goals and dreams. Define your goals. Before you start assembling your board, take some time to reflect on what you truly want to achieve. Think about different areas of your life, such as career, health, relationships, and personal growth. Write down your goals to clarify your vision. Collect visuals. Search for images and words that embody your goals. Look for items that inspire you and invoke the feelings you want to experience. This could be anything from a picture of a dream vacation spot to a quote that motivates you. Arrange your board. Experiment with different layouts before committing to one. Place your visuals on the board in a way that feels visually appealing and inspiring. You can organize them by collecting categories or mix them up for a more authentic look. Affix your items. Once you've satisfied with the arrangement, start gluing or pinning everything down. Work with one image or word at a time, applying glue and sticking it to the board. Display your vision board. Place your vision board in a location where you'll see it daily, such as your bedroom, office, or even on your phone if it's digital. The key is to keep your goals in sight to remind you of what you're working towards. Update as needed. Your vision board is a dynamic tool. Feel free to update it as your goals evolve or as you achieve them. This keeps it relevant and aligned with your current aspirations. Creating a vision board is not just about the visuals, it's about setting intentions and manifesting your dreams. Enjoy the creative process and let it inspire you on your journey. Informational packets and/or forms will be at the following website. I hoped you liked this video. If there is a video you want to see, leave it in the comments. Don't forget, like, share, and subscribe.